My creative, professional family of artists all over the world. Hello. I'm glad you are here today, morning, noon, night, whenever you are here. Thank you for being here. We are professional artists making a living online, making art in our communities, basically just killing it. Today I'm about to hit you with an extremely unpopular opinion. So, gird your loins. Stay tuned until the end though, also because I have a very exciting announcement. But first things first, even before my most unpopular opinion, I have a new freebie for you. Very exciting. This season's freebie is 9 things that your demo needs. So click the link in the caption to get that ASAP. If your demo needs some brushing up, or you need a new demo, or maybe you don't have a demo, or maybe you need a character demo, a narration demo, you need it all. So make sure you grab that, which leads me straight into my unpopular opinion. Sirens, unpopular opinion alert. Paying for a voiceover demo is a scam. Mic drop. If you are a voiceover artist who works from home and records the majority of your work from home in a closet/home studio, then you can and should record your own demo. Paying $2,000 for it, or whatever the heck crazy people are charging these days, that's a scam. Don't worry, I'm not gonna drop that bomb on you without anything to back it up, because I know it's an unpopular opinion, so I come prepared. Today, 3 reasons you should make your own demo. Let's go. 1, making your own demo, especially when you record from home, it's more honest. It portrays your skills properly. You are showing what you can actually do. You're showing what you'll actually deliver to a client. If you have a $2,000 professionally produced demo, that doesn't display the level of audio that you're going to be able to deliver to a client. It's more honest to create your own demo. 2, leading into this, the second reason is you set proper expectations. So, like I was saying, a client can hear your demo and hear what theirs is going to sound like. Setting those proper expectations is crucial because it leads to many fewer disappointed clients. If you're not setting proper expectations with clients and they expect something like a $2,000 recorded demo, that's not what you're able to deliver, and you'll have a lot of disappointed clients. You want to set proper expectations so that your clients are receiving what they expect to receive. 3, it's free. It's free to create your own demo. It's not $2,000. If you're looking for ways to launch your voiceover business quickly, this is the #1 thing that I hear from people who are trying to get started that holds them back. I don't have money for a demo. It's too expensive. I don't have $1,500. The truth is, that's a scam. You can and should get started without paying that money. Don't let that hold you back. Those are the 3 things. 1, it's more honest. 2, you set proper expectations. And 3, it's free. So don't let that hold you back. That money that you don't have, that money that you don't need, don't let that hold you back from starting your voiceover business. And now, this leads perfectly into a very exciting announcement I have for you guys today. If you are unsure about how to make that demo a reality, then I'm launching something that will help you. This is the 5-day demo challenge. We're beginning April 25th. So if you need a kick in the butt and some guidance on what should be in your demo, how to edit it together, and a lot more, then this challenge is for you. So stop letting this fake barrier hold you back. Get a demo and get moving. The first thing you should do, for sure, download what your demo needs, and then think about if you're up for the challenge. Thanks for tuning in this week, y'all. This is The Business of Storytelling, and I am Caroline Cole. Follow me on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories and on Twitter at @CColeStories. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. Mwah! See you next week.